Monetization strategies are super important for raking in those bucks from your Duck Quest videos. They help creators make the most of their awesome content. AI tools like ChatGPT are game changers for whipping up cool storylines and image prompts. They make creating Duck Quest videos so much smoother and more fun. And let's not forget about visuals. Using platforms like Leonardo AI totally amps up your storytelling, making your videos way more engaging and visually stunning. Now, tweaking those image prompts and refining what you generate is key for top-notch quality. Playing around with different options can seriously level up your AI-generated content. Next up, understanding the difference between free and premium AI tools can really boost your image generation game. Knowing this helps you manage your content creation time, like a pro. Sound is another major player in keeping viewers hooked. Using the YouTube audio library or royalty-free sites can really enrich your video's storytelling. But hey, don't forget about proper licensing for your music and visuals. This avoids any copyright drama and ensures you're all good to go with your projects. Using transitions and sound effects the right way can take your video flow to the next level. Precision is key for making those moments hit hard. Finally, playing with filters and audio levels can give your video that professional vibe. Keeping visuals and audio consistent ensures a smooth experience for your viewers.